Morning. Welcome to another episode of Louisiana Blackwater Fly Fishing. I'm on Blood River this morning. Lunched at Warsaw Marina and Bar. I'm gonna head on down the bayou to the right and get back in the corners back over there and see if I can catch some sacklay. Pretty day to get out, giving the creeks a couple of days rest. Water's high and clear. Ooh, cold. Uh-oh. I had a bite. I'm getting bites. I'm just, I don't know what they are, but I'm getting bites. They're not biting like a sacklay though. That's something. It's a big old chinkapin. Go! Look at that chinkapin. Ooh! Big old chinkapin. Big old chinkapin. Well, I've hit the shoreline hard, and for sacklay, I ain't got the first bite. Blood River's like that. They hear, they night. They not in this area. Know that. Or they not biting. Man, I just saw the biggest black otter I've ever seen. We got them here in Louisiana, but they're rare. From to see that joker's head, man, it was almost probably about a foot across. That's a big one. I was at Blind River one time, and one popped up about 10 feet from the boat and started chittering at me. And then a few seconds later, another one popped up, and then a little bitty one. And then the mama started charging my kayak, man, trying to get up in the boat with me. I had to start paddling away. I was like, I've never been assaulted by an alligator, but I have been attacked by an otter. Ain't that some shit? Gonna try my favorite canal, see if I can hook up a few bluegills. But the water up like this, the current moving, I bet it's bass all up in here. Yeah, look how high the creek is. Tackle ain't biting but the bluegill are.